Welcome to Technical Talk. Hi guys. So today we are understand Linux files and directory permissions. What is a Linux and directory permissions? Type of file permissions. We have read. You can view the files of content. Then read stands R, right? And there is a write. The permission write, you can change the delete the file. Execute. X, you can run the file as a program. Then type of directory permissions. There we have a same type like read. You can list the content of the directory, and we have again the same like file. We have a write permission. You can add and remove the files in the directory. Execute. You can list the information about the files in the directory. How are permissions assigned? So we assign the permission in three different persons. Number one is user, that is you. You can say it owner of the file and directory. The second is a group, that's Z. That's a group. We have a group in our system and we want to assign some particular permissions on a group, so we can use Z to assign the permission of a group, so that you don't need to assign the permission for a particular user one by one. Then we have a other, that stands O, right? And it's for others. Those are not an owner, those are not in part of any group, and those are completely others, right? Then let's go and next understand the permission. So you can see in the screenshot there is one is D and one is hyphen. So that's hyphen stands for this hyphen, it stands for a file. You can indicate that, oh, this is a file. And D, then you can see in the third line there is a D, so it stands that it is a directory. And we have one another thing that's starting with L in the second last line in the screenshot. So it stands for symbolic link as a shortcut in a Windows. So if you want to see this on your system, this is my system. So if you will go here and I'll see one file permission, etc fs tab. Oh, my bad. etc fs tab. Okay, now see, this is a file, okay? And here you can see read, write, and that's first three. The first is, what is this? It is a, that's mean it is a file. And then read, write, it stands the owner of this file has a permission of a read, write, not execute, okay? And then other, the group has permission of write, and the other have also write permission. They don't have a write and execute permission, okay? So use the command for assign these permissions. We use the command chmod. Okay, let me show you one thing. I run the command touch kk. So if you will see the command kk, so you can see now, so kk has a permission, like you can see it's the read, write and read. So by default these permissions set on the base of the umask of your system. Okay, we can talk about the umask in the next video. So let's talk here about just permission. So now you can see that the owner of this file has a permission read write. So as I said that we use a chmod command to change the file mount permission. Okay, we can run this chmod. I said user as I described earlier. So U stands for the owner. So I'm giving you permission to, now you can see that here we have owner read write, but owner does not have a permission of execute. Let me give execute permission. Now I'll run again see the content. Now you can see the owner of the file has a permission read write execute, and the group have only write permission. Okay, let me assign one. So let me give you the write permission to group also. chmod g plus write and click it. Now you can see that, oh, okay, it's you run the command this, you can see now owner has a permission read write execute, and other has the group have a permission read and write, and other is a write only. So if somebody say, oh, you have to give the permission write permission to other also. So what we can do, we can run a command chmod z plus click, okay, z plus write and click it. So now you can check, this is the permission. Now you can see in the upper output, you can see that the other has only a read permission, and in this output you can see other have write permission also. So in the same way, you assigning the permission, you can revoke the permission also. Let me for chmod o minus w. So I run this command, and now let me see the output. I can see, oh, if in above output you can see read and write, and the small one you can see that the others does not have any more write permission. So same way we have another command, that is chmod. That's a change the owner of file and directory, right? Owner and group. What is how to create a group and all, I already described in my previous video. If you guys don't have any idea about the groups, so please go with that video. Okay, now let me check, let me add one group add sales. Okay, now as I said that chmod is a command to change the file owner and group. Okay, now you can see this is the owner and this is a group. Let me change the group. chmod root would be owner and sales will be group of this file. I run this command and I run the same command to check output. Now you can see still owner is the root and the group is sales. So this is used for change the group. cgrp is change the ownership of the group. What does it mean? Whenever any user for that particular group, the group of this file, and you have to set this permission on your directory. So whenever any user will type, you create a file, it will show you the file with the name of group. So octal number permissions. So like I said, So here we use running chmod o plus r and w and x and the file name. So we have another option, that is the octo. So read equal to 4, write equal to 2, and execute equal to 1, and no access equal to 0. For example, you set permission 664. So what do you mean that? So means user, the owner of the file, has a permission 6, that stands read and write, and then group has a permission read and write, that's 6 plus 2 equal to 6, like 4 plus 2 equal to 6, right? And the world, that's mean other, has only read permission, so we set 4. If you see this 4, what is the 4? Read equal to 4, 4 equal to read. Okay, let me show you example. So as I said that chmod 644 kk, you can run 664 and kk. We said that in this chmod 644 means user group have a read and write permissions. Let me check it. Is it working in real? Okay, you can see the owner of the file have a permission read and write, and the other and group have also same read and write, and the user, like others, has only read permission, because we set 4 equal to read, and 4 plus 2, that's mean 4 equal to read and 2 equal to write. So if you calculate, if you sum 4 plus 2, you will get 6. So on the base of this, it is a little complicated, but it is not that much hard. If you will do practice, trust me guys, you will gonna do well. Okay, now let's go on the next. Special permission. What is a special permission? That's called a sticky bit. Sticky bit can be added on a worldwide directory to prevent user from deleting others users files, and sticky bit is added in front of the permission. For example, 1. Okay, how can I show you? Let me show you this example. Let me make a one directory sales, and so we have one user user add as 1. Okay, and we have another user as 2, and let me add these users chmod -z sales as 1 and as 2, and make a directory sales. Oh, sales is already directory, so the group of this file, let me see, is owner of this directory ls-ld sales. Oh, the owner of this group of this directory is root. As I told you, chcon root dot sales and sales. Okay, now if you will see, oh, here is this. Now as per the, you can see you run the command this 1. So either you can run chmod o plus t to run this command. Yeah, you can run like 1 and 664, whatever the permission you want to, just set 1 in front of that. So I'm going to add this one. Oh, my bad. Okay, now you can see there is a T in the sticky bit on this file. Okay, if I'll go with this, so this is and now if any user, for example S1 user, create any file in a sales, he will not able to delete this file. And for example S1 can delete his own file, but S2 cannot delete the file that belongs to S1. Okay, let me see. S1 sales touch S1. Okay, we don't have permission to create a files here. Let me give the permission. chmod 177.1 to sales. So S1 yeah, here you can see. So S1 user create a one file sales. Let me log out this. Now login with S2 and go in the same directory which belongs to them. Now he can see the file S1. Let me remove this file. Oh, it's saying operations are not permitted. What does it mean? We put stickybit permission on this directory. Any user cannot delete the file of any other user. Okay, so this is about stickybit. Okay, let's go. What is the next? Show other type of special permission. We have a setuid. What is it? It is very important, and please listen carefully, because in an interview people always ask, what do you mean is this? Because many people doesn't know that. They know what is this. They heard about SUID and GID, but they don't know what exactly use of that. So now I'm going to tell you. So setuid allow you to specify that a command always runs as its owner, and setGID allow you to specify that a command always runs as its group owner. So we use setuid and GID only for commands and some scripts only. So thanks to watch our video. Hit the like button to give out your comments and suggestions. Subscribe our channel Technical Tags to get the latest video.
Please subscribe our channel Technical Tech. Don't forget to click on a bell button to get latest notification. Thanks. Have a nice day.